Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to save web content online using Google Chrome extension. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to install Google Chrome extension. So we are going to install Evernote Web Clipper. Now click on it and then you see this is our link. Evernote Web Clipper Chrome Web Store, so click on it and then you see add to Chrome button, so click on it and then you see add Evernote Web Clipper add extension, so click on it. Now installing and then you see message Evernote Web Clipper has been added to Chrome and then you see extension icon, so click on it and then you see Evernote Web Clipper, pin it. Now you see, now go to any website and refresh the page. On top you see icon. So we are going to save web page content online. Now click on it. So you can create account by using Google or Apple. So click on continue with Google. Now you see account is created and then you see news and update. So this is our web page and then you see save clip, article, multi-select, simplified article, full page. Now you see section is highlighted, you see plus and minus icon. Now click on it. So when we reduce or if you want to increase, click on plus like this and then you see save clip. So you can use plus minus according to your requirement and then you see clip format, article, multi-select and then you see save to first notebook drop down, so you can create notebook, clip to a new notebook and then you see task, tag, notes or comment, you see multiple options. First we are going to save clip, so click on it. Now saving your clip and then you see message saved news and update in first notebook, open in Evernote Web, so click on it. So click on continue. So you can access this web clip from anywhere. When you log in Evernote account, then you can access all these. So this is our first note. Now scroll down. Now you see read more. So click on continue. Now you see article is open directly. Now back to first notebook. Now you see files, calendar, notebook. So click on notebook first. New notebook from here. So click on it. So we are using free plan. So our current plan limit you to 1 notebook and 50 notes. If you want to use more, you can upgrade your plan. So we are using free plan. If you want to use more features, then you can upgrade your plan. Now you see files. So this is our file, calendar. So in free plan, you can store 50 notes in one notebook. Now back to website page. Now close. Open any other article. Again on top you see icon, so click on it. Now loading web clipper. Now you see clip format, multi-select. So you can select according to your requirement. Now you see. So this is multi-selection. Now you see save 5 selection. If you want, you can save selected content from article like this. Now click on save 5 selection. Now saving your clip. Multi-select, hover and click to make multiple selection. Now you see 5 selection saved from crispy saving. Click on open in Evernote Web. Now you see we have 2 notes. So this is our latest. Now you see selected content. Now back to website again. Now close, again click on it. Now loading web clipper. Now you see simplified article, full page. If you want, you can use full page and then you see task, click on it. So you can add task, tag. Also if you want, you can take screenshot, click on it. Now like this. Now you see screenshot captured. If you want, you can save clip. So it's up to you. So you can use any feature that mentioned in this extension. Now you see full page, save clip. Now saving your clip. So we are going to save full page. Now open in Evernote Web. Now you see we have 3 notes. So in free plan we are using, you can store 50 notes. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.